I am Becky Evans.
And I'm Randy Evans, Clearwater, Florida.
And we wanted to quickly share our journey with Options Medical Weight Loss Program. Randy, go ahead and you start.
We decided on our anniversary, September 10th, that the gift we were going to give each other was to lose some weight.
And how long have we been married?
We've been married for 45 years.
You got it right. So we did this as a gift to each other. Both of us are over the age of 65 and we were really struggling with losing weight on our own. So we did the program with the phentermine and the lipo injections, and we enjoyed purchasing the different protein bars. We did some things on our own, like the protein drinks, and then we purchased some items from Options, and we kind of figured out kind of a routine each day of what we would do. And I think that's been part of our success, is we did get into a routine of what we would eat and when we would eat it. And then also the fact that we had accountability, and every Saturday morning it was kind of our date thing to go get weighed, talk to our counselor. And that always encouraged us. Even if that week we didn't have the best week, we were always encouraged to keep going. How long do you think it took us to get to our goals? About what?
Amazingly quick, but I don't want to say it was overnight, but I'm sorry I don't have
okay.
The figure.
I can tell you. It was about 4 months. And it took us about 4 months to hit our goals. And then we've been doing maintenance, and I think that has been the best thing about this program. We have done weight loss things in the past, but we never really had a good maintenance plan. So I think that has made the difference for us, because now it's July and we started this last September. So we're almost up to a year, and we have maintained and hope to continue to do that for the rest of our life. And we do still have that connection with our Options team.
Yeah, I've lost 45 pounds from it. I've never felt better in my life. Mm-hmm. I love the oatmeal. I love the couple of the chocolate bars. Actually, they fill me up very well. I have a nice moderate meal later on in the day, and it's been wonderful.
You know, it's hard sometimes to get started, and we saw the results of a friend of ours. That's kind of how we got connected in the first place, and he had really good results, and we asked him what he was doing, and that's how we ended up at Options. But I think the bigger success has been the fact that we really feel like this is sustainable, that this isn't something we're just doing for a few months, hitting our numbers, and then, oh, okay, we'll just go off into our merry way. This is something that we can do for the rest of our lives, and I think that's going to bring us great success over a long period of time.
I have every day people talk to me about how good I look and the weight loss and buying new clothes, and a great experience.
And that's a good point, because when we were both able to go shopping, you bought a new suit because we were going to a wedding, and you looked amazing, and I was able to buy new clothes. And I think that is when you really feel like the work has been worth it, and so that made it a lot of fun. Who doesn't like to go shopping?
Mm-hmm. So thank you, Options.
Thank you, Options.
Did you like this video? Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also visit our website using the link below to schedule a free consultation with us. We have options for everybody.